Hey, do you have a team working remotely? Or are you thinking about hosting a face-to-face planning workshop to bring the whole team together? Well, this short video is for you. I'll share 3 or 4 tips on how you can host a successful workshop for you and your team. This is something I have done for many, many years. I'm very, very good at it. And Pam Didner here, B2B Marketing Consultant, workshop facilitator, and coach. So here are a couple things you need to pay attention. Then you're going to look like a rock star. Number 1, understand organizational goals and objectives. Before you host any workshop, you need to craft a clear meeting objective. Why do you want to get the whole team together? Are we getting together to address specific challenges, or are we getting together to work on our plan? What is the goal? Make that super clear. And also make sure you know your organization's business imperatives, goals, and objectives. Most of the time, we get together because we want to accomplish what the company is set out to do. Therefore, knowing these will guide you as a leader to structure your workshop. Number 2, craft your agenda. Agenda setting is a critical part of a workshop planning. Again, the agenda is derived from your workshop objectives. See, the objective is to get together to work on a marketing plan. Then you need to craft a marketing plan draft so that the team can work together optimally. Don't just show up with a blank sheet of paper and say, hey, let's work together. That's not going to fly. The best way to do is to present something that the team react to it. That way, you are guaranteed to have something to work on together. If your workshop is 2 or 3 days, which is quite long, you are likely to have executive updates, educational content that include guests coming to teach the team about something, or working brainstorming sessions. You need to mix different topics and the presentation formats. Some sessions, they will just sit and listen. In others, the team will be interacting, talking, and in the trenches, working together. You need to find a good balance of talking and doing. By the way, the agenda is usually very fluid and won't be set until 2 to 4 weeks before the workshop, and you need to be okay with that. If you are a type A person like me, like we want things to be set from the get-go, that's not going to happen. Because many people will have something to say about the agenda, and you will find that yourself changing your topics, especially on the items of agenda, on a regular basis. Be okay with it, right? As a part of agenda setting, don't forget to add team dinners and the team building activities as a part of the agenda. I have worked with the clients who forgot to do that initially and scrambled to find something the last minute. Okay, you want to have fun. You do. All right, not just like really seriously working. Number 3, coordinate with the presenters and facilitators. Now you have agenda. It's tentatively set and the presenters are somewhat identified. Your job is to herd the cats. Brief each presenter about the workshop objectives and explain what you need from them. Then you need to review their presentation to make sure they accomplish your session goals. Don't take what they share with you as it is. Have a point of view and tell them what to do if you want them to revise it. If you have brainstorming or working session, you may need workshop facilitators depending on your structure of your workshop. Again, make sure your facilitators have appropriate training and the skill set to lead discussions, address impasses, and direct and guide the conversation so everyone stays on topic. I'd recommend that you have a workshop owner and a facilitator tag team during the workshop to move the agenda along, especially in a large group gathering. Number 4, have a great time at a workshop. So you did everything. You did everything right. You did all the preparation, agenda I said, presenter are ready to go, offsite activity is going to be awesome. and everybody's confirmed with their travel logistics. And you have training session, working session, will qualify facilitators to run the show with you. Yay! Murphy's Law. Something will always go wrong. Never fails. You may need to move your agenda around because last-minute speaker no-show. Or maybe screen monitors are just not working. I once experienced a power outage during the workshop. Seriously, for 2 hours. We actually went out for a walk. And then came back and work on whatever we had to work on during that time. So whatever happens, happen. Just embrace it and have a good time. And that's very, very important. Tell all my clients to do that. Lastly, post-workshop follow-up. After everyone bids farewell from the workshop, you need to publish workshop minutes that everyone know what has been accomplished and what other tasks are yet to be completed, as well as who is doing what. Regular follow-up with task owners and provide updates at your future team meetings, very critical. I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments below. I will answer them. If you need help leading, facilitating any business planning or other types of workshop, reach out to me anytime. I've done them all and would love to give you some insight if you decide to do a DIY. Until next time, take care. Bye.